Hi, this is Glenn from New York City. I'm here at 34 by 10 Avenue, and this area called Hudson Yard is one of the new development of New York City. Is still being built, and they pump in $20 billion in this area. So in about 5 or 10 years, this area will be different. High-rise building, shopping center, all that at once. Let me show you around. Building being built. That high-rise already built. Okay. Still building. Still building. Okay, and you see the new and old one mixed together. That one is new, the next one is probably old. But the old one, is in the plan that will be demolished soon. Beyond those three is the new high-rise as well. And behind me is construction site, okay? It's all the wall of barricaded. Okay, I'm here in a small park with a bench. That's my drink. Okay, so $20 billion will pump in this area. They call Hudson Yard. Alright. And behind those walls on the far end is Jacob Javits Center. It's built brand new Jacob Javits Center for using. Jacob Javits is a renowned ex-senator from New York. Okay, and actually it's very close to Hudson River. We are very close by Hudson right there. Beyond those car are the river, Hudson River. Separate Manhattan with New Jersey on the other side. More high-rise. But the one I want to show you is that structure right there. Okay, it formed like a basket or a crucible. It's a bunch of, walkway, a staircase linked together. You can walk from building to building, but the design is very, very inspirational, very inventive. That's right there. Okay. And beyond those are buildings being built as well. The crucible or the basket linking that building to that building. And yeah, that building is another high-rise. High-rise. And down this avenue is 34th Street. So let me zoom out, give you a perspective. The area is vast. This area in the future, 5-10 years, come back here will be vast, different. All this high-rise is still there, and the new high-rise, don't know how tall they will be built. One there and one there. And beyond those, as well, beyond those three, is more structure. $20 billion in real estate built in this area. Hudson Yard, New York City. Bye.